Okay, so we're out here getting everything hooked up for our temporary electric pole we're gonna have here. That's the meter box, and then next to it will be the electrical panel. And that's 5'6" height there with the meter. Ground rod is in. The poles are in concrete. That's where the transformer is going to go. So it's starting to rain. I got to quit for now. I got to go to the electrical supply place anyways, to the hardware store, get a few connectors to hook stuff together. But so far so good. All right, we're making progress here. Because it's going to be outdoors, everything's GFCI protected here. So we got 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp plug. Just getting everything installed right now. I had to go get my driver for that. Yeah, not too hard. Meter base is up. We had to build this little wall thing for it, and the meter had to be 5'6" from the ground, centered. That's in concrete. I need to drive another ground rod and then just finish up some wiring on here, and we're just about done, ready for our inspection. And then once we pass that inspection, this will be the second inspection, then we'll have the power company come out and run all the wires and get everything hooked up. Okay, it's all done except for I dropped one of the screws to this, fell down in the very deep hole. So I need to go get a screw for that. Other than that, everything is wired, done, ready for the electrical inspection. We have CI breakers for the 30 amp and the 50 amp, and then the outlet here. The only thing that I know that I need to still do is run a neutral ground bond inside this box. So we have the ground wire run here to this. The neutral and ground are bonded here, but they are isolated on this panel. So I need to get a wire. I didn't know what gauge to make it to go between the neutral and the ground on the box there. There's the green screw that's in there. It needs, that way everything over here is grounded as well. But other than that, we are ready for the electrical inspection. Once we pass that electrical inspection, then the power company will come out and they will pull all the wires 500 feet that way for that one, and then another 15, 20 feet here for this one. So just one trip to the hardware store for one more wire, one screw, and then I can call the electrical inspector and we're good to go. That pipe sticking out of the ground, that's for the internet. I got to kind of run that a little differently, but that's not going to affect our electrical inspection. Okay, the electrical installation is all done. I've called for inspection, hopefully tomorrow. I just had to do a neutral ground bond in the panel. It was isolated, so that's done now. Everything is good to go. So we've got our meter base, and then comes out, we only have 100 amp service for our temporary here. So it's a little easier to deal with. This eventually will come out. This whole won't be used, and there's going to be another pipe that goes out that goes that way. So everything here is done and ready for our electrical inspection. Hopefully tomorrow, but they said 72 hours. There goes the electrical inspector, and everything that we did on here has passed. So it's all got the approved sticker on it. I know a couple people, when they saw the picture before, they're like, you don't have a ground, it has to come directly out of the box and everything, but there is a ground there. It was just the angle that it was photographed on, you can't see it. So it comes right out of the box, goes right there, and then it goes down behind there, and then down to the grounding rod. Actually had to pound 2 grounding rods because the first one went 4 foot and stopped, and then drove the next one in at an angle. So this is all passed and inspected. Next thing, he will send a report to the power company tonight. They'll get notification of it today. And then we'll get on their schedule to come out, and they're going to pull all the lines and hook everything up and throw the electric meter in, and we should have power before the end of the week. Yep, very exciting.